Find the slope of the tangent line to the curve at x equals to 2. Slope of the tangent line at a point here means we need to find f prime of 2. So this is what we're looking for here, slope of the tangent line. That means, well, I need to first find my f prime of x and then plug in x equals to 2. So let's try that. Notice that this is a function of x. The power is also a function of x. That means we cannot use power rule, and we cannot use the one for exponential as well, because they are both functions. This is a classic example of logarithmic differentiation. So our first step is let's write it as y, and then take natural logarithm on both sides of the equation. So let y equals to 2x plus 5 to the power of x plus 1. And then let's take natural log on both sides. That's gonna give me ln y equals to ln 2x plus 5 to the power of x plus 1. And using the law of logarithm, we can bring down this x plus 1. That's gonna be x plus 1 times ln of 2x plus 5. I'll write down the law I used here. So this we use the law that ln of a to the power of b equals to b times ln a. And now, if you look at this, you'll see that, well, instead of a function to the power of another function, I have a product of two functions. Now we can differentiate. So, differentiate both sides of the equation. We have 1 over y prime, equals to, so here we have a product, so another product rule. That's gonna be 1 times ln 2x plus 5 plus x plus 1 times, bottom we have 2x plus 5, top we have derivative of 2x plus 5, which is 2. Now, again, instead of simplify it, I'm gonna try to find my numbers and plug them in. So let's try to find y here. F of 2 is my y. So that's gonna be 2 times 2 plus 5 to the power of 2 plus 1. So that's gonna be 9 to the power of 3. It's a big number, so I'm just gonna leave it as 9 to the power of 3. That's okay. Plug this back in. Again, let's call it star, so let's sub it back into star. I'm gonna have 1 over 9 cubed y prime at x equals to 2, so let's call it y prime of 2, equals to ln 9 plus 3 times 2 over 9. Now let's simplify it isolate for y prime of 2. Y prime of 2 equals to 9 cubed times ln 9. I'm gonna simplify it further because that's, so let me write it here. So this one I want to simplify it slightly further because 9 is 3 squared, which is gonna be 2 times ln 3. So let's change it to ln 3, 2 times ln 3, sorry. And then plus, those two, you can simplify it further. So that's gonna be 2 over 3. So plus 2 over 3. And that's gonna be my final answer. And you can leave it like that because I cannot really simplify it more.